What's the meaning of cleanly? Cleanly. Cleanly.
Cleanly. Cleanly. Cleanly generally refers to doing something without making a mess or leaving any traces behind. It suggests that the task has been carried out efficiently and effectively, without causing any damage or negative consequences. For example, a surgeon might be expected to perform a surgical procedure cleanly, meaning that they should avoid leaving any unnecessary scarring or injuring surrounding tissues. Similarly, a programmer might write code that is cleanly executed, with no errors or bugs, and easy for others to understand and maintain. Essentially, doing something cleanly implies a high level of skill, precision, and attention to detail.